Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. I believe this is video number 5. And we just got a report for our daily earnings for the evening. So it came in today. Let's take a look here. So 0.51% on the money I have invested in the Forex market. So I made $50.75 today, guys. All on autopilot. Yeah. So today is Friday. So this is the end of my 2-week cycle, so I'm going to be doing a lot of things on this video. I'm going to be combining my 2 deposits that I have here in my 2 investments, and what that'll do is that'll shoot my monthly income up to my cash balance at the top here, and which will allow me to make a brand new investment. So what I'm doing is, guys, I'm taking my earnings that I've made, instead of withdrawing them, enjoying the money, I'm putting it back in the system so I can make even more money. So that's what I've been doing over the last year and a half. I haven't done any withdrawals yet because I'm just building my account. So I'll be doing this live on this video for you guys so you guys can see me doing this. This is something I do every 2 weeks. So first thing you do is you go to the investment section here and you scroll down. Before I scroll down to the 2 investments and combine them, I'll just explain this tiered system right here. So if you have anywhere from $100 to $499 invested in the system, you get 50% of the daily earnings. They keep 50%. Anything $500 to $1,500, you keep 60%. They get 40%. And $1,500 to $1,000, you keep 65%. They get 35%. 5,000 to 10,000, you keep 70%. They get 30%. 10,000 to 25,000, which is the level that I'm at, I keep 75%, and they get 25%. So the next level I'm looking to get into is this level here, the second highest tier, which is I keep 80%, they keep 20% of the daily earnings, which will be, we're in May right now. I should probably reach that around Christmas time. And then the very last one is when you get to 50,000, you keep 85%, and you keep 85%, they get 15%. So it's just a little breakdown, guys, of the different levels. So you can put money in the system. You can be whatever level you choose. But move right along here. So what I'll do now is I'm going to combine these 2 investments. So you check them both. You hit start combine. Okay, there we go. So what that'll do is, once I put this up here, you'll now see I have all the money out here, $437.56. So at this point, what I can do is I can withdraw this money, guys, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reinvest it back in the system. So the next step is I have to go to the finance section. And when you do that, it converts it into tokens, but I have to get it into USD so I can make an investment. So I got to go to here, exchange, click this, go into my S&T tokens, and I have to type in 2717.8143, and I'm going to convert that, which is $437.02. Click on that, and then you guys will now see at the top here I have $437.56. So 437.56. So what I got to do is 437.56 minus 5%, which is 415.68. So I might be able to do 417 possibly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the investment section, click on here. I'll try 418. I'll see if it allows me to. Oh, just a minute. I clicked on the wrong one. Oh, here we go. I gotta click on this one. So I'm gonna try 418 here, guys. See if it allows me to convert it, which is 438. Nope. So it would have to be 417. So I'm gonna go here, type 417. Which will be 437.85. No, it'll actually be 416, actually, guys. So I gotta go 416 here, which will be 430. Yep, okay, I'll have enough. I have to enter in the security code, which the system is messaging me here. Just a minute here, guys. I have to get access to this code here. There we go. I have to hit confirm. And there we go. So I should have everything all set up here. There we go, guys. So there's my new investment. There is my total amount. And yeah, I'm good to go. So that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. I went over about 30 seconds or so, but thank you, guys. Please click on the sign up link at the bottom. And if you have any questions, send me an email at the bottom description.